Dear friends, welcome to the channel, and today we shall be making a wonderful recipe called Keema Pyaz. Historically, this recipe originates from India and Pakistan. It is very easy to make and is lovely in taste. Today's message from us is show passion and hard work in your life, and what is yours will find you. So let's start with our recipe. To start off, we will switch the heat to medium settings and add 1/4 cup oil into a pan. Next we will add 1 teaspoon of zira, 1 teaspoon of whole black pepper, 3 cloves, 3 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom and a bay leaf. Please stir and fry for 20 seconds. Please do not over fry the spices as they get burned very quickly. Next we will add half kg minced meat. We will fry our minced meat till the color changes from red to brown. It approximately takes 5 minutes to complete this step. After this 5 minutes of frying, we will add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste and fry and cook for another 5 minutes. Next we will add and mix 2 chopped tomatoes. In order to spice up our minced meat, we will add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Please stir and cook for 2 minutes so all the spices and minced meat are properly mixed. Please add 200 milliliters of water and place the lid for 10 minutes. This will enhance the flavor of minced meat and make it more tender. After removing the lid, it is now time to add 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. At this stage, we will add 1½ sliced onion and 2 round cut green chilies. Please stir so that the onions and green chilies are uniformly mixed with the minced meat. At this stage, we will add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. This will further enhance the flavor of Keema Pyaz. It is now time to place the lid for 10 minutes. This will allow the onions and green chilies to release their juice that will mix with our minced meat. Once we remove the lid, we can garnish with fresh coriander and again place the lid for 3 minutes. Please stir to mix the coriander. Our Keema Pyaz is ready and can be served with tandoori roti or fresh naan. With this, it is goodbye from us for today. Please take care of yourself and your loved ones. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Please leave your comments in our comment box and thank you for visiting our channel.